Okay, so this question says, while driving a car at 90 km per hour, how far do you move while your eyes shut for 0.50 seconds during a hard sneeze? Okay, so let me write what all given. So it's given speed of the car as 90 km per hour. So we need to convert it into meter per second, which is the SI unit, since the time is also given in seconds. Okay, so what we are doing is 1 kilometer we can write it as 1000 meter, and for the hour, first we need to convert it into minutes, which will be 60 minutes. Then again we have to convert it into seconds, then we will get 60 seconds. So 1010 cut, this also cuts. Now if we cut this 3 5, so what we will get is 90 upon 5 by 18 meter per second. We can also remember this thing, that whenever we want to convert a speed which is in kilometer per hour into meter per second, we can directly multiply it with 5 by 18. Okay, so we can do this thing also directly. So if we solve this, 18 1 18 5 jar. So after solving this, we will get the speed as 25 meter per second. Now the time given is basically given as 0.50 second, which is basically half second, and we need to find out the distance that the car will drive during this time. Okay, so we know distance is nothing but speed into time, right? Now the speed we have already found out as 25 meter per second, so we can write it as 25 meter per second. Into time we can write it down as 0.50 seconds. So after solving this, we will get a value of 12.5 meter. So this will be our final answer.